Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is bundling and minifications in MVC. Bundling and minifications are two new techniques introduced to improve request load time. It improves load time by reducing the number of requests to the server and reduce the size of requested assets such as CSS and JavaScript. First we'll go with bundling. It lets us combine multiple JavaScript files or multiple cascading style sheet files so that they can be downloaded as a unit rather than making it individual HTTP request. And minification. It squeezes out white spaces and performs other types of compression to make the download files as small as possible. At runtime, the process identifies the user agent, for example, IE, Mozilla, etc. IE here means Internet Explorer, and then removes whatever is specific to Mozilla when the request comes from IE. Thank you.